In this video, I will guide you how you can write plus minus sign in Excel cell. For this, you need to click on the insert and go to the symbol and click on the equation. And in the symbol section, click on this drop down menu, and here it is the sign. You need to click on this and make it resize as per your requirement. Once this four-sided arrow appeared on the screen, you can drag it to anywhere in the cells. Another way is that go to the insert, go to the symbols, click on the symbols, and in the font section you need to select normal text, and in the subject you need to select Latin 1 supplement, and in the character code you need to type 00B1 like this one, and your cursor will be moved to the plus minus symbol. Select it, click insert, close it, and here it is. The symbol is inserted in a Excel cell. So with this easy way you can insert plus minus sign in Excel way. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.